Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you a few things that I purchased, my last purchase for 2022, a few things that I wanted to get from Sephora. So I just came back a few hours ago. I just wanted to show you guys what I have. So if you want to see the few things that I picked out, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just here to show you a few of the things that I purchased one last time before 2023. I had to run into Sephora to get a few things. So I only have about 5 products. I just wanted to go over them with you to share, you know, my little goodies with you. So my main reason for going was to get the Makeup by Mario new foundation. So what's exciting about this for me is that I've actually never used any of his products before. So this would be my first time. So I am super duper excited, you know, for this product. So let me just tell you about this product. It comes in this nice little box, and I guess that's the way his packages are set up. And Mario is, our Makeup by Mario is Kim Kardashian makeup artist. So this is the bottle that you get. It's a glass bottle with this white top, very sleek and pretty, and it has Mario right across the side here. So this retails for $42, which is a standard, you know, size, or the standard price for usually the foundations that come out at Sephora. Alrighty, you get 1 fluid ounce, which is the average size. $42, as I stated before. And let me just give you some details or some features about this. The features is that it's a moisture grip. The foundation hydrates the skin for 12 hours and glides on easily for customizable coverage, which means you can build up the coverage. It comes in 30 shades, and it's also stated that I guess for most people you can have more than one shade to match your skin. So in reality, it's really more than 32 shades if you look at it that way. So it's a natural finish, it's liquid formulated, it's hydrated, it's long wear, and it's medium coverage. So you can put on more layers if you want to build it up to full coverage. Alrighty, so those are just some of the features. So I've seen quite a few reviews on this, and you know, I really wanted to give it a try. I've seen that I don't have any of his products, and this would be number 1. And I did like a tester on my hand, and the color that I got is 230. Alrighty, also for this one, some of the ingredients, I'm looking at my notes. It has grapeseed oil and vegetable squalene, which provide restoring moisture and moisturizing benefits. Okay, it works well with natural texture for smooth and enhanced finish. So I really can't wait to use this. It's also vegan, and it's gluten-free and cruelty-free. So I can't wait to use this. $42. I know I'm gonna love it. And it comes in a pump. Alright, so that's how it looks. It's so pretty. Alrighty, so that was number 1 that I went into Sephora for. And I also wanted to get some more cleanser, so I picked up this one from the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. Alrighty, I hope you guys could see that. This one is very much so inexpensive, right? It's very reasonable. So this one was $8, and you get 1.7 fluid ounce, and it comes in this little tube. I have quite a few things. I also have the serum for this one, and also another wash. I really like their product so far. So I've used this one before, but it was time to re-up. And just in case, if you've never heard of this brand or what the cleanser does, The cleanser has a no sulfate, no paraben, which those are not good for your skin. It's a vegan. It's vegan, so that's good. It's hydrating and it's good for dryness, and it's also gluten-free. So it cleanses and moisturizes your face. It's for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. It's free of parabens, also formaldehyde free, and it says the gentle product is formulated to target, makes your makeup removal very easy, and it leaves your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. So to use it, it says just to wet your hands, rub them together to kind of warm them up, and then, you know, clean off your face that way. Alright, it has squalene in there, which anything that you see that says squalene, it's for moisture. Also, it has a lipofolic, which is it says it dissolves facial impurities. I don't know if I pronounced that properly. Alrighty. Also, another thing that I really wanted, and I went and got I got the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin. So this is how it looks. I hope you guys could see it. Doesn't look like you can. Well, I hope you can. Alrighty, now for this one, it's the 1.7 fluid ounces, and this was $34, so it's pretty expensive. Nice creamy texture, so I'm hoping to see some good results with that. It says it's good for dullness and uneven texture. It's fragrance free, good for dryness, with parabens, best for oily, not oily, it's best for dry, combo, and normal skin. This one also has squalene in there, which supports and moisturizes and nourishes skin barrier. It has glycerin, which helps retain moisture and soften skin. And this is it has also have glacial, GLACIAL, glycoprotein, which hydrates and maintains skin's moisture balance. So I can't wait to use this. This one, you can use this after you cleanse and tone your face, and it says to apply a small dime size amount to your skin. You can use this under your makeup during the day, and also you can use it at night. So I am so looking forward to this. Can't wait. Alrighty, so for $34, I better have new skin when I'm done. Okay? Alrighty. Also, there's one more thing that I wanted to, I don't know if I said for the Mario, I did say it was 33 shades. I did say that. Also, I wanted to try this for the longest. This is by Patrick Starr, One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush to Trio. So this is how it looks, and the packaging is stunning. I love the packaging. If I can take it out for you to show you guys. Let me show you how it looks. Some of you have probably seen it before, but it's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, it has the OS for the one size, and you pop it open with this little thing here, right? And these beautiful colors. So it has like a plastic over it. So this one is cream, and then this one has a little shimmer at the bottom, and then this one is powder with a mirror. So this is perfect. You could pop this in your purse. How much was this one? This one was about $24. If not, I will make sure I leave everything down with the correct pricing. 24 or 26, but this is good. I can't wait to use these beautiful shades. So I will do an upcoming video with this, and also the makeup I also had to replenish my Sephora translucent powder. When I tell you the other one that I have, it's like I probably have one use out of it left. So as you know, this was only $15. It's a translucent powder. I like this because it's not as yellow as the banana color. So it's not white and it's not yellow. It's like in between, and it's very finely milled. So I love using this. This is all I've been using since I purchased it the last time under my makeup. Also, I wanted to try out the Mario. This is like a lip. It's like a lip serum. So it comes in this little tube here. Let's see. It comes in this little tube. And it looks like that. So you wind it up. That's the color. This color is called Rare. Let me see. I have it written down here. Oh, Bare Glow. Bare Glow. So it's kind of like a lipstick and a gloss. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's very creamy. Can you see it? There you go. I can't wait to use this. So it's like a lipstick and a gloss at the same time. So don't wind it up too much. I just learned that. Let me check the price for this one for you. Okay, I have to correct some information. So the squalene, ordinary squalene cleanser, the price I gave you was for the small one. This is the bigger size. So this is 5.1 fluid ounces. I was reading the information for the smaller one. So because this one is bigger, this one is $19, which is still not bad, right? And then the lipstick was, or lipstick slash lip balm, it was $24. You know, it's a little pricey, but I'm sure they have some good qualities in there. I didn't look up the actual ingredients, but I'm sure if his foundation have all those good things in there, then I'm sure this one have some good things in there. And just to make sure, the Patrick Star, oh, the blush trio, my bad. The blush one for Patrick Star was not 24, it was 36. Yeah, $36. Okay, I didn't think it was that much, but it was $36. So you better be glad, you better believe it, that I'm going to be using this every day. $36 for blush. I love Patrick Star, so I had to support. So basically, guys, those are all the things that I purchased, and they gave me a little sample. I did ask for the Twilly D Hermes perfume, so it smells so good. So if I really like it, then I'll get the bigger size. So those are all the things that I purchased. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got. So this is my last purchase for 2022. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll go ahead and get a couple of those things that I recommended, you know, because I'm sure you're gonna like it, especially the cleanser, and also try the foundation. Let me know if you're going to try it. Let me know. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Okay, guys, and just like that, our video was finished. It wasn't too long, so I just wanted to show you the few things that I have. So I hope you enjoy watching this quick video. I didn't really plan to do it, but I just came on here to show you what I have because I feel like some of you may want to know. So I hope you enjoy watching. It's about, let's see, 7:30 now. So I hope that you guys, you're probably out partying already. If you're going to party, I hope that you guys stay safe. Have a great new year. Be blessed. All the blessings and prosperity. That's my wish for you. I hope you have a great one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.